Flying Taco has been something we've loved making. You know, I love food personally. Who doesn't love food? And this book talks about cultures. I believe culture is best experienced through food. So, you know, here we have India, here we have Japan, somewhere I would love to go. You know, oishi means delicious in Japanese, of course. So, you know, this has been filled with love, humor. You know, we got Javi the hippo. He's always got something funny to say about being hungry. And we hope you guys get to read it and check it out too and laugh with us as we go through this journey with our new Flying Taco.
A lot of people don't realize how much goes into this, like the artwork. I'm so grateful to Davey Villalobos, who has left a legacy, my son Matthew Vasquez, sister Suzanne Funk.
Something that's meaningful, something that's purposeful. It's been so much fun to go to schools and see Matthew entertain the children with puppets, tzatziki, and share these positive lessons of kindness, belonging. And I'm so grateful to now school assemblies for family literacy nights, school assembly, author assemblies, that we can show books with our newest, the Flying Taco. It's been 4 years in the making, and we hope that you get it into your child's library. If you're a grandparent, a school leader, we're so grateful to share this.
Come check it out soon.